something massive is happening inside Google, and it all dropped within just a few days. A new AI agent that thinks inside full 3D worlds. A mysterious model inside AI Studio that suddenly shows near-perfect handwritten recognition. And a leaked image engine so sharp, it looks like Gemini's private internal tech just walked out the back door. Google didn't announce a big event. But what they released, and what accidentally leaked, might be the biggest wave of AI breakthroughs we've seen this entire year. Let's break it down. All of this started when DeepMind officially revealed Sema 2, the next generation of the universal game world agent. And at the exact same time, developers found a hidden model in Google AI Studio showing shockingly accurate symbolic reasoning. Then, almost out of nowhere, Nano Banana 2 leaked again, and the visuals looked dangerously close to Gemini's secret image engine. 3 breakthroughs. 0 announcements. And the entire AI community is buzzing. Last year, the first version of Sema impressed people. It followed 600+ instructions across different virtual environments: turning, climbing, interacting, the basics. But long tasks. It fell apart. Real players had about a 71% completion rate on long objectives. Sema. Around 31%. Good, but nowhere near human-level consistency. Sema 2 changes everything. DeepMind rebuilt the entire system around Gemini as the core reasoning engine. Now the agent doesn't just follow commands, it interprets goals. It plans. It explains its own decisions. It checks itself. To train it, DeepMind mixed human demonstration videos, text labels, and Gemini-generated explanations, filling in missing gaps. With this hybrid method, Sema 2 almost doubled its long task performance internally. And the wild part? It generalizes across worlds. Drop it into a new game, something it was never trained on. Asuka, a Viking survival world, Mind Dojo, Minecraft-style research, or even new scenes made from sketches, emojis, multi-step instructions, it adapts instantly. In No Man's Sky, Sema 2 analyzed rough terrain, located a distress signal, planned the next steps, all like a player who already knows the game. Google didn't stop there. They paired Sema 2 with Genie 3, their real-time world generator. Genie takes a single image or even one line of text, and builds a full 3D environment around it in seconds. What happens next? Sema 2 jumps in and navigates those brand new worlds as if they were normal game levels. Tools, objects, clutter, random mobs, everything. Doesn't matter. It plays. It learns. It adapts. And because these worlds are synthetic, Sema begins to learn without human data. One Gemini model creates challenges. Another judges performance. Sema plays right pointing arrow, fails right pointing arrow, learns right pointing arrow, improves, in a closed self-training loop. This is the early blueprint for embodied robotics. High-level understanding plus low-level motion equals general-purpose robots in the future. Now here's the part that exploded online. A historian named Mark Humphrey, someone who normally studies North American history, discovered a mysterious new model inside Google AI Studio during an A/B test. Google sometimes tests upcoming models secretly by giving users 2 outputs and asking, which one is better? That's when Humphrey started uploading 18th century handwritten documents, messy journals, smudged letters, inconsistent spelling, old grammar, vague symbols, broken numbers. Normally, AI models collapse on this stuff. But this new model, it performed like an expert historian. The results were insane. Gemini 2.5 Pro already had impressive accuracy, but the new model dropped the numbers to 0.56% character error rate, 1.22% word error rate. That's 1 error every 200 characters. But accuracy wasn't the shock, it was the reasoning. In one 1758 merchant ledger, a sugar purchase was written in unclear shorthand. to 1 loaf sugar 145 at 1/4 19:1, most models misread every part. This one decoded the currency units, converted shillings and pence correctly, checked the total cost, solved the ambiguous 145 value and automatically labeled the weights, LB, Oz. This wasn't transcription. This was multi-step symbolic reasoning emerging from raw internal representations. People online tested it with chemical formulas, ancient dates, vague shorthand, complex conversions. Same story. It reasons like something far beyond a normal language model. And then, the leak happened. On media.ai, a preview of Nano Banana 2 appeared briefly before being removed. But users downloaded samples, and more leaks surfaced on X from creators like Mars Everything Tech Leo. What they showed was shocking. Sharper details, higher fidelity, extremely stable text rendering, perfect spacing, consistent font weight, precise compositions. It even remastered low-res images into insanely clean results with accurate colors. It's very close to Gemini's internal image engine, the one Google hasn't released publicly. It also follows step-by-step text prompts perfectly, something most image models fail at. If Nano Banana 2 ends up launching through API access, every content creator, designer, and media team gets a huge upgrade overnight. And considering how often it has leaked recently, launch seems very, very close. Google's entire ecosystem is shifting fast. A 3D agent that reasons like a human, a secret model with near-perfect handwriting plus symbolic logic, a leaked image engine matching Google's internal visual tools. This isn't just AI predicting text anymore. This is AI understanding the world, visually, logically, and physically. If these tools go public, the next generation of AI won't just assist us. It will collaborate with us. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit like, smash subscribe, and I'll see you in the next breakdown. Thanks for watching.